Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina and today we're gonna be doing glitter lip balm. We got this from Target and it was $3. We got this from the dollar spot. These are the instructions. We have mica powder, and there's pink, blue, and purple. And we have the wax base, the stickers, the spatula, and the containers, and the instructions. Step 1, we gotta select the little container. And we gotta pick which color powder. I choose purple because the container is purple. We're gonna fill 3/4 with wax base. Now we gotta add half of the mica powder. Oof. And put it in. That's half. Now we gotta stir it. Oof. Oh, that's a big mess. I need help. Oh my gosh, it's so hard stirring it. Not stirring it, stirring it. Oof. The powder's going everywhere. Ew. I need help. I can't believe this. I'm just gonna do this. No, there you stir it. You gotta clean the sides. Oof. Once it's clean, screw the top of the lip balm. I hope I'm saying it right. Now use the stickers to decorate it in the sides and the top. I am all done. This is the final look, guys. It turned so cute. I really love it. This is how they turned out. This is a little cat beauty. This is Mermazing. And this is BFF with a flamingo, just like my shirt. I mean my dress, since it is. I'm gonna try the purple one. And they also have a smell. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like and subscribe. And please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.